Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz Challenge. Today's quiz contains 50 exciting questions from science, geography, history, animals, space, technology, and world facts. Pause the video if you need more time and keep track of your score. Let's begin. Question 1. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer: Mars. Question 2. What is the capital of Japan? A. Seoul. B. Beijing. C. Tokyo. D. Bangkok. Answer: Tokyo. Question 3. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Leopard. C. Lion. D. Cheetah. Answer: Lion. Question 4. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: 7. Question 5. What is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer: Pacific Ocean. Question 6. Which bird cannot fly? A. Eagle. B. Crow. C. Penguin. D. Sparrow. Answer: Penguin. Question 7. Which gas do humans need to breathe? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Helium. Answer: Oxygen. Question 8. What is the fastest land animal? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Cheetah. D. Horse. Answer: Cheetah. Question 9. How many days are there in a leap year? A. 364. B. 365. C. 366. D. 367. Answer: 366. Question 10. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. D. Neptune. Answer: Jupiter. Question 11. Which country is famous for the pyramids? A. India. B. Egypt. C. China. D. Brazil. Answer: Egypt. Question 12. What is the national animal of Australia? A. Panda. B. Kangaroo. C. Camel. D. Zebra. Answer: Kangaroo. Question 13. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Mercury. D. Iron. Answer: Mercury. Question 14. Which planet has rings around it? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Saturn. D. Mercury. Answer: Saturn. Question 15. What is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Camel. C. Giraffe. D. Horse. Answer: Giraffe. Question 16. How many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: 7. Question 17. Which is the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Shark. D. Rhino. Answer: Blue whale. Question 18. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Ottawa. C. Vancouver. D. Montreal. Answer: Ottawa. Question 19. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Answer: heart. Question 20. Which desert is the largest hot desert on Earth? A. Gobi. B. Sahara. C. Kalahari. D. Arabian. Answer: Sahara. Question 21. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Answer: Mercury. Question 22. Which country invented paper? Answer: China. Question 23. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Answer: camel. Question 24. What is the hardest natural substance? Answer: diamond. Question 25. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer: Mercury. Question 26. How many teeth does an adult human usually have? Answer: 32. Question 27. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer: Nile River. Question 28. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer: Japan. Question 29. Which gas do plants absorb? Answer: carbon dioxide. Question 30. Who invented the light bulb? Answer: Thomas Edison. Question 31. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. Question 32. What is the capital of Italy? Answer: Rome. Question 33. How many planets are in our solar system? Answer: 8. Question 34. Which animal has the longest neck? Answer: giraffe. Question 35. What is the boiling point of water? Answer: 100 degrees Celsius. Question 36. Which is the world's largest rainforest? Answer: Amazon rainforest. Question 37. Which continent is the coldest? Answer: Antarctica. Question 38. What is the national flower of Pakistan? Answer: jasmine. Question 39. Which is the largest bird in the world? Answer: ostrich. Question 40. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Answer: France. Question 41. Which is the deepest ocean? Answer: Pacific Ocean. Question 42. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Answer: pound sterling. Question 43. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Answer: Venus. Question 44. How many bones are in the adult human body? Answer: 206. Question 45. Which is the largest country by area? Answer: Russia. Question 46. What is the chemical symbol of gold? Answer: O. Question 47. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Answer: dove. Question 48. Which country has the largest population? Answer: India. Question 49. Which sea creature has 8 arms? Answer: octopus. Question 50. What is the nearest star to Earth? Answer: the Sun. How many questions did you answer correctly? Comment your score below. 40 to 50 equals GK Master, 30 to 39 equals Quiz Champion, 20 to 29 equals Good Knowledge, below 20 equals Keep Learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz challenges.